Hey guys, I'm back with another video. My cousin will be helping me on this one. We are going to be playing Subway Surfers. We're going to see who can collect the most coins on one challenge. And then the second challenge will be who lasts the longest running. So everybody knows I go first.
In that case, we'll use a timer.
So, what do you want to do? Which one do you want to use first? The coin or the running?
Coin.
The coin? Okay. Oh, snap. Where did I go? Oh, shoot. Okay. Sorry about all that, guys. So we're doing the coins first. Whoever catches the most coins, who do you think will win? Emily or Matthew? Please comment down below before you see all the whole video. Okay, you need to be quiet, Emily. So while I'm doing this, we need to talk, guys. Y'all haven't been very active. If y'all can please give me some more love, subscribe, view more of my gaming channels. I love playing games. Anything y'all would, anything y'all would tell me to do, I would do it. I don't care if it's the eat it or wear it challenge. I'll do it. With today, I forgot. We made a bow and arrow. Well, it's not a bow and arrow, but it's like a feather throwing thing. I could upload it today, I guess, if I can find it.
It's fine.
Yeah, we made
I can go get it right now. I'll be right back.
No, but we can't show it though, cause we're using AirShow.
Yeah, I know, but we just.
Okay, I lost. I know I lost. 113.
You got 113?
Yeah.
That's too much.
We both got the same shoes, guys. It's funny.
I don't like getting the shoes.
Why don't you like getting the shoes?
I don't know.
That song is so annoying. If y'all like the song Thumbs by, I think, Sabrina Carpenter, right?
Yes.
Please comment if y'all like it or not.
I don't know the whole song.
So I think Emily's gonna win because she's at 72 already.
Oh my gosh, did you see
Oh
that?
my god, you have 112! Don't collect any more coins.
Why?
Because you're gonna win me. She won me, guys. We know for sure now.
Let's see who loses.
I don't know what's wrong with me today. I always win her.
That's true.
Alright, so it's the, no, we're just gonna see by the laps.
Oh
No, because it adds it. Yeah, get a timer. Get a timer. Don't you have your tablet? Yeah, you have a timer on here. Every tablet needs to have a timer, right?
Alarm?
Yeah, an alarm. Nope.
Say it told you.
Yeah, just go get your phone. So, your mom's phone. Give me the tablet. I need the tablet. Sorry if we're taking long, guys. We're just...
My mom's using her phone. We'll just count it in our heads.
Yeah, Emily can count it.
Well, now I'm not going to count it in my head, but...
Count it out loud, Emily.
Yeah, I know.
So, while we're doing that, we're going to put on some songs. Okay. So, it's just going to be a song. What? Song.
Sorry if we're taking very long.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I mean, please don't leave. Stay. I'm just trying to put a song. Okay. I don't know. No one cares about you, Aaron. Add. Okay, that's it.
Okay, ready? Set.
Okay, this is my favorite song. Okay,
2,
she's counting already, guys.
4, 5, 6.
I suck! No, let me go again.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 60. I'm so dumb. I don't even know my numbers anymore. Sorry, guys. Well, we know she won me, so I don't even need to count anymore. I'm sorry. I know I messed up already. Like 3 or 4 times. I'm in love. No,
What's wrong with you today?
I know, right?
I don't know how much I got, but. Oh, I got you a box.
Yeah, you got me a mystery box.
I also got you all of the letters.
So, we all know she won, so there's no tied. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment what my next video should be.
And
Like it, please. And I think we're about to create. Please subscribe. Comment what my next game should be. What my next video should be about. And I think Emily is about to make a channel for herself, aren't you?
yeah, I am.
Okay, she's gonna make a channel. The next video, I'm gonna tell y'all what type of what her channel name is. But thank you for liking. Please subscribe. Bye.